What's up, man? You know what I'm saying? Man, somebody stole my food stamp card, man. I can't even go to the grocery store. I'm gonna go store, give me some Cocoa Krispies and ice cream and chocolate cookie, man. I went down there, man. I was looking in there in my wallet, man. Somebody stole my food stamp card, man. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't even go get me nothing to eat. And my girlfriend, she hollered, talking about she wants something to eat. So I had to go downstairs and put some bread and some mayonnaise together, man. I couldn't even find a food stamp card. I said, dang, I'm gonna be hungry up in this piece. I got so mad I ate me a piece of dirt and seen laying on the floor, man. And then I put on some bread, put some ketchup on that mug. I tore that sandwich up, man. I bet next time I'm gonna go down there and check and see if I can see why they ain't put my food. I'm supposed to get about 500 some food stamps. I'm gonna get about 3 carts of groceries. I'm gonna be stacked back with lemonade, cookies, cornbread, collard greens, carrots, everything you can think of. And I bet you this, there ain't nobody gonna jack my food stamp card. I'm gonna get me 2 food stamp cards, please. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tell y'all, don't let nobody jack your food stamp card. And you know what? I tell you this, you'll be starving, you'll be hungry, and you'll be saying, I want me some eggs and grits and toast. And this Sandy B signing off.